This means it's not only fast, but it's also getting faster and more accurate all the time. The benefits to TEKTHRILL have been substantial. The speed of their SMT repair process has increased dramatically, leading to significant cost savings. The AI system's accuracy has reduced the number of faulty components that slip through the net, improving the quality of their products. But perhaps most importantly, the AI solution has freed up TEKTHRILL's human technicians. They're no longer tied up with time-consuming fault diagnosis. Instead, they can focus on more complex tasks, where human insight and expertise are truly valuable. The impact on TEKTHRILL's customers has been just as positive. With fewer faulty products and faster repair times, customer satisfaction has increased. Plus, the cost savings from the AI solution have enabled TEKTHRILL to invest more in product development, leading to better, more innovative devices for their customers. This case study clearly illustrates how AI can improve the SMT repair process, providing benefits not just for the company but for customers too. We have seen how AI can revolutionize SMT repair, but what does the future hold? As we move forward, the integration of AI in SMT repair will continue to expand, evolving from a novel concept to a standard industry practice. Drawing from our case study, we can predict that AI will make diagnostics more accurate, reducing the time it takes to identify faults. Additionally, AI can streamline the repair process, cutting down on unnecessary steps and making it more efficient. On the horizon, we see AI being used to predict potential failures before they happen, allowing for preemptive action and minimizing downtime. However, it's not all smooth sailing. Challenges such as data privacy, ethical considerations, and the need for robust AI models will need to be addressed. But despite these hurdles, the potential benefits outweigh the challenges. While the future of AI in SMT repair is still unfolding, one thing is clear. AI has the potential to make SMT repair faster, more accurate, and more efficient than ever before.